Right now, we're looking live from our camera out at Tarpon Lodge, where you can see the wind is calm. The palm front's not moving much. That breeze will pick up a little bit later on, as we are anticipating it near 15 miles per hour. We will see a few showers and thunderstorms develop once again today. Most of that will be inland here along Lake Okeechobee. We're once again looking at Glades, Hendry County, so Cluess and Moorhaven. Do expect the rumble of thunder and some wet weather later on. I think most of us along the coast are going to stay dry. And this morning, as we look at the radar, you see a cluster of thunderstorms over the northern Gulf, and the other closest rain is over here between Bimini and Andros, and that has been the case for the last couple of mornings. So your morning commute looks good. Not only do we not have any rainfall, there's no fog to contend with, but yesterday you probably noticed if you looked east over the Everglades, we had a pretty good thunderstorm just south of the lake, put down quite a bit of lightning and a much needed rainfall, about 1.5 inches to almost 3 inches there near Belglade and Pahokee north of 441. And today this is the same area that will see the focus of showers and storms. This time yesterday, we had limited visibility along the lake, but right now we're all 9s and 10s, so no rain, no fog. The morning commute should be smooth. As you step outside, you're going to notice it's a little warm. It's very sticky outside. It feels more like a wet season summertime pattern, and while we are starting off several degrees warmer than when we were at 647 on your Wednesday, we are expecting our temperatures to get back up to 89, 90 degrees this afternoon. The wind will start off out of the east light. It'll pick up later on today, 10 to 15, and then we'll see it shift out of the southwest. As that sea breeze front kicks in, it's going to be strong enough to keep the focus of the showers and storms inland, and you can see that wind picking up there this afternoon. So your forecast as a whole looks sunny and hot, 90 degrees. Your sunset time comes there at 7:58, and that isolated chance of rain will be inland. Let's look at the almanac, because that reading there of 90 is above average, but it is shy of a record of 95 going back to the mid-40s. The setup this morning, we got a low moving through Texas and Louisiana. That is what sparked the large hail across the south central parts of Texas. And this morning along the front, we have a severe thunderstorm watch box out there for the western parts of the Florida Panhandle. And as that old frontal boundary stays to the north, they'll once again see a threat of fairly large hail, especially for the state of Florida. There around Orlando over towards Brevard County, where we've seen multiple tornado warnings over the last couple of days. The threat for us is pretty much non-existent today. The severe weather threat has shifted over towards the east coast, and you can see the isolated nature of the thunderstorms even around the lake. The higher concentration there between Orlando and Jacksonville. This is a snapshot of 5 o'clock. A pretty similar forecast here for your Friday, as we do have a 40% chance of wet weather, as we're waiting for a cold front to really bring some changes on Sunday. Let me walk you through your day. Lunchtime, it is all sunshine. We are quiet and we're dry, and as we transition towards the late afternoon and early evening, there's that scattered shower and thunderstorm chance between 5 and 7. They will quickly die down, and you can see the coast dry once again. And then looking ahead past midnight for your morning commute on Friday, things look pretty smooth. Now, as far as the official severe weather forecast from the Storms Prediction Center, a marginal chance here along the lake. However, I do not see this happening. I think the threat is going to be off towards the east coast, as the overall rain chance is even down today, 20, maybe 30% inland. As we look ahead towards the weekend, I know a lot of us like to start making our plans now. Sunday is going to be stormy. We have the 70% chance of showers and storms. It is also going to be windy. We are going to see our winds gust up to 40 miles per hour as a cold front moves through.